Good afternoon, dear students. I heard from a lot of students that the video which I have posted last day was not clear. So because of this, I am making this video and it is all about part 2 again, right? So we will start from question number 5. Question number 5 is x cube y bracket x square plus y square minus z square. We know the formula that we have to do the external multiplied with the internal. So likewise I do that. X cube y into x square plus x cube y into y square minus x cube y into z square. The red marking actually denoting that the x cube should be multiplied with the x cube because the base is same, which is x, and like that way the power will add up, and hence we will get the value that is x to the power 5y. And likewise we have to do for all the remaining portions, right? In question number 3 also the same process will repeat, that is the external will getting multiplied with the internal, and like that way the whole process will get multiplied. Make sure that the coefficient should be multiplied with the coefficient along with the sign. Moving on to our next question, which is question number 6, add. Now add means the two quantities must be added up with each other, so we have to put the plus sign, right? So instead of writing and, we will put plus. So a cube b bracket a square minus twice a plus 3 plus twice ab bracket a cube plus 3a square minus 5b. The rest portion is remaining same, that the external will be multiplied with the internal. So the external part is a cube b and it should be multiplied with each and every elements of the internal portion. What is the internal portion? The numbers which are there in under the bracket. So a cube b into a square plus a cube b into minus twice a plus a cube b into 3, like that way. And the red marking actually denoting that the power should be added up with each other, like that way a cube plus a square, it will become a to the power 5b, and hence like that way a cube b should be multiplied with minus 2a. Make sure that the coefficient of a cube b is 1, so that means 1 into minus 2, it will become minus 2, and the base is remaining same regarding a is concerned, so that means a cube and a both are getting multiplied and the power is getting added up, and like that way you have to solve all the remaining portions, and finally we will get the answer. I hope you got it. So let's just move on to our next question, which is question number 8, that is simplify and verify the result for a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1. So first of all we have to simplify all the terms, like that way the earlier methods, earlier sums what we have done, like that way we have to multiply and do the certain simplification process, and after that what is the verification process that is needed, that we have to put the value of a and b in the question, right? And after that what we do, just put the value of a and b in the question, like that way a is 1 square into minus 1. So that means the value of a is 1, so we just replace a by 1, so it will become 1 square, and the value of b is minus 1, so put the value like that way, right? All the values should be applied in the same way, and after that we have to do the simplification part. Simplification part is very easy. That means 1 cube or anything to the power 1 to the power anything is 1, so we know that. So that means 1 cube will be remaining as 1, and like that way all the process, all the calculation will be held like that way. All right, after doing the calculation part in the questions, finally I get the value that is minus 2 plus 1, which will become minus 1, and it is very simple and easy to do it. After that in the result section, if you just observe, b is only left over, so we know that the value of b is minus 1, and hence if you just compare the questions with the answer, the verification part is absolutely same, which is minus 1, and hence it is verified. I hope you got it. Moving on to our next question, which is question number 10. So in question number 10, if you just see, simplify the following, that is 3 by 2 a square bracket a square minus 1 plus 1 by 4 a square bracket a square plus a, and minus 3 by 4 a bracket a cube minus 1. So like that way we have to multiply the interior with the exterior with the interior. So like that way 3 by 2 a square will be multiplied with a square, and after the 3 by 2 a square will be multiplied with 1, and it will remain same, right? There is not 1, basically minus 1, so that means minus 3 by 2 a square will left over. Make sure in the third part, if you just observe, because the second part is absolutely same, no need to discuss all such things. So if you just observe the third part, that minus 3 by 4a is in the exterior part. When minus will come, no, so that means the minus is getting multiplied with the interior part also, and the sign of the interior part will automatically changed. That means if plus is there, minus will automatically come. If minus is there, plus will come. Like that way, minus 3 by 4a into a cube, it will become minus 3 by 4 a to the power 4. Look at the third part, third step, that is the step where I just marked by the red pen. And after that, minus into minus plus, and it will become 3 by 4a, right? So that means when minus comes, we have to understand, or we have to remember this point, that when minus will come, that is the process that we have to just reverse the sign, right? That is very easy to do it. After that, the process will be same like the earlier questions. After that, if you just observe the third step, so I have put one bracket over here, right? So for this bracket, if you just observe, all the base are remaining same, that is a, and along with their power, that is a to the power 4. So these type of terms are called like terms. And what we do, just we have to calculate these like terms togetherly. So if you just observe that 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 have the same denominator, that is 4. So easy to do it, that is 1 minus 3, and it will become minus 2. So that means minus 2 by 4, it will again convert it into its lowest form, which will become minus 1 by 2. Like that way, after that, 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 have the same denominator, which is 2. So ultimately 3 minus 1 will be going on, and it will become 2 by 2. So if you just observe, 2 by 2 is nothing but 1, and hence we will get the final result, which is a to the power 4 minus 3 by 2 a square plus 1 by 4 a cube plus 3 by 4